Yeah, hello, Martin here. I'm in southwest London. I'm really excited to show you around this lovely combination garden office and store. Classic London situation. We've had to bring everything through the house as it is a mid-terrace. Complete garden renovation. The before videos of this will be amazing, the difference we've made. Maximise the width of the garden. Now, we've done that by doing two things. Firstly, the main office, the 2.9 by 2.5J. Clients then upgraded that with the inline sliding doors. Absolutely stunning. I love that. And then we've made an additional wider special store. So normally 1.8 is the widest, we've gone up to 2.3, and that means we get right around the boundaries. Now that doesn't matter, it's a fire rated zero maintenance product to the back and the sides as well as the front. You can see we've offset that storage door here to keep the tree, which is going to be beautiful in bloom. MTX 100 to the front, and then lovely racking and all workings for this this very busy family property to keep everything there. And then this room is stunning. Now, really lovely story here. Ruth Gaunt works in this room on a daily basis. She does a very cool thing of doing a one-day website. You meet with her in the morning through Zoom. She creates the website, gets you up and running by the evening. I really love it. I'll put a link below to what she does there. And this is going to be the hub for her business. She's working out of a bedroom and now wants to do that in this lovely room. Stunning interior there with the AccuPanel rear wall. I love that. And then painted by the client in Farrow and Ball sulking room pink. This one is, including the ceiling, and I actually like that. I think that's really, really lovely. Lovely desk. We've done the Tennessee oak flooring with a nice rug down there. It's absolutely lovely. The client's also upgraded to Wi-Fi lighting, so you can turn on the white lighting inside and out with that. Got the up-down lighters either side of them sliding doors. The aluminium sliding door upgrade is such a nice option compared to the UPVC door and window. I've got to say, I really like that. And it being in the black here is perfect. The whole building behind me, the house, is black bifolding doors at the back of the building. They've even got the same internal feature wall in the house. So yeah, a really lovely project. Comes with a 5-star review. You can see that review in our Google reviews. Ruth has left before, in the middle, and finished pictures, and really appreciate that. And a lovely project. So there you go. Okay, it's a combination garden office and store here in southwest London, maximising the width of the garden and ready to be used and run a business. Thank you.